get your daddy, huh? Ow.
I look like a skeleton.
Oh shoot. Dog, is that you? Okay, and this is the final look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia. Today's video is going to be a Halloween DIY. Everything that you've seen in this video is either part of my wardrobe or I purchased it off Amazon Prime. This video is not sponsored, but I will be leaving links to everything that I purchased in the description box down below to help you put your costumes together. Typically, I would suggest that you go to thrift stores, things that you can cut up and distress yourself and try to save money because Halloween costumes look the best when you put them together yourself. So that's what the inspiration was for today. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family who might be in a Halloween costume crunch, and let's get started. Look number one, this is Beth Chapman, and I have on a tank top with a lace or kind of like a see-through mesh floral bodysuit over top. The pants are very Beth-esque. They are leather inspired, they're not real leather, with this lace-up detail here in the front of these shoes. I got this wig off of Amazon, and this is classic Beth, girl. Oh my god. Okay, and this is the final look. Just kidding. Oh shoot, I heard that. Did you guys hear that? Beth's gonna get you. You guys better freaking watch out. Get it, Beth? Do I look like her? No! Come on, don't play yourself. I look amazing. So for Jude's outfit, we've got tons of items here. Jude's gonna be rocking this wig, super hilarious. Don't play games. These looks. Oh snap! We got him a vest. A vest he's gonna wear with no shirt underneath and some pants that he already owns. Look at this! Oh, it actually fits you, I'm surprised. Dog, is that you? Jude Isaac, you look amazing! It says brothel inspector? Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, never mind. You say brothel inspector. Okay, forget it. We're gonna not do that. Okay, so next up is going to be Jenny from Forrest Gump. I'm gonna start with a little bit of cheekbone action because I think she was a crackhead in this movie. Lord have mercy. Still pretty but scary, you know? I feel like I look like a killer or bank robber. Oh, okay. For the outfit, I have these high-waisted bell bottoms, and I got these from Shein. I have a top that I got, I think this is maybe Brandy Melville, like really old. It just says Led Zeppelin on it. And I got this jacket off of Poshmark years ago. Okay, serving everyone thick Jenny. Yes. She wasn't sassy, she was a drug addict, for crying out loud. Oh shoot, run Forrest! Or walk that way. Okay, so Jude has on pants that we already own. This is my belt. And we added a hat, which you can find off Amazon, duh. This shirt is from the Children's Place, and then we added a little paddle for a little extra touch. You can use things that you already own. We should go eat at Bubba Gump's dressed like this.
No, I'm not doing that, sorry. We can eat there, but we're not gonna be dressed like this. Unless if they pay us.
See? He's got the right thinking. Okay, so next up is going to be Nacho Libre and the Nun. So I just got this long dress, gray dress, and it was really low cut, but it worked out because it looks very, very similar to the outfits that she wears in the movie. And then I paired it with a bodysuit, and this is just like a white turtleneck bodysuit, so it's nice and snug. There's no like lumps or bumps or anything like that, so makes everything look like they belong together instead of, you know, really bulky and not cute. For my headpiece, this is actually 2 t-shirts. I think it looks pretty legit in the front. All I did was layer them on top and pin them in the back here so they kind of fold, and then you can just cut the scrap material to make sure that it looks lined up in the back. So Jude has on a white turtleneck, polyester V-neck sweater. He's got some white slacks on as well, and then we're gonna pop on this wig, and we're also going to add a mustache. Next is Morticia and Addams. As you guys can see, I did some skeleton kind of contour here, just to make me look a little bit more snatched in the face. This long contour dress is from Amazon. You can find paint everywhere. You can also use like spray to cover up any grays and things like that. That's also really readily available at the drugstore. It's called High Beams Intense Temporary Color. Hopefully it doesn't get everywhere. Okay. I'm gonna cover his face so that I don't get paint all over him. That's too You look like, no, you look like a psychopath. You need a skinny little weenie mustache.
That's what it looks like.
You look good. How am I gonna stick it on you like that though? Not playing games today, guys.
Dang, come on, get off.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
And the bell.
Okay, so next up is going to be Beetlejuice and Lydia. So I've got my makeup on right now. But first I'm going to hook up Jude's costumes. I could not find a Beetlejuice costume in his size, so what I'm gonna do is take this white blazer and white dress pants and stripe them with duct tape. The suit is starting to come together. As you can see, we're gonna pop on this crazy wig, and Jude said it kind of looks like Albert Einstein, and I totally agree. I'm also going to be using a little bit of Ben Nye's Clown White face paint. So since the bald cap is like a tan color, we're just gonna put some makeup over it. You could also cut it, but it's just easier for Jude to wear it, almost like a hat. I'm gonna avoid the eyes because the eyes are gonna get a lot of dark anyway, so. I'm gonna avoid the eye, burn! Then I'm gonna go in with some Halloween green paint, and I'm just gonna use the same paintbrush, or not paintbrush, but makeup brush. I'm just gonna add this right onto the hairs too. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice.
I look like a skeleton.
Okay, all I did for my bangs is pull them from the front to the back, and I used a couple of bobby pins, as you guys can see there, and separated my bangs. That way I don't have to cut them. And that's pretty much it. We got Beetlejuice back here looking sharp. Let me tell you, duct tape on this suit was so hard. This is probably gonna be my favorite, not gonna lie. Love it. So easy. All you need is a black dress, a hat, and you don't even have to have this book. Maybe print it out and paste it onto a book. That'd be great too. And this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to our channel if you have not already joined our family. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Happy Halloween!